Hi guys, it is Avery and Vet from Avery Home Search. Avery wanted to sit in with me and I wanted to share something with you guys because during this pandemic I get a little timid about letting people in the house, and we are actually going to have more people, strangers, coming in the house to do things like inspections. So I wanted to do a quick video because I have something I wanted to share with you. I bought something for my family because my husband actually was working and he'd be called to different hospitals. So because of the pandemic and with COVID, I was as well as he was concerned about him going somewhere where we knew there would be COVID patients and then coming home. And so I wanted something extra just to take a precaution to use to keep the house clean outside of bleach and Lysol. And what I went and purchased for us was a UV light. So I let my neighbor see what I was using because she works at a hospital. She's a nurse, and she said, oh yeah, that's what they use at the hospital in between patients that have COVID to sanitize their rooms. So I want to do a mini review on it and show you what it looks like. This is what the base looks like, which it has 3 different settings: 15 minutes, 30, and 60 minutes. Once you plug it in, you will see a light flash, a green light, and you select which one of the settings you want. And you can also use the remote control, which also has the settings on it as well. Let's see if I can get that focused. Okay, there it is, 15, 30, and 60 minutes. I had to grab some paper to let it focus. And then you hit the red button or the power button on the actual unit itself. And what will happen after you made your selections for what time you want to use, it'll beep continuously for 30 seconds to give you time to exit the room, which was one of the features I liked about this particular unit. And I'll leave a description. I'll leave the link in the description box so you'll know which one I got. This one was $160, so one of the things I did was look at the reviews because I wanted to make sure I wasn't wasting my money. I saw a lot of good reviews. These are the instructions for the UV light. You can do different types of rooms. One of the rooms that I only use this in is the bathroom, which they recommend 15 to 30 minutes. You will see a green hue around the door, and if you're still worried about it's been 15 minutes, just set your timer on your stove or your clock. And it gives you some other guidance for the bedroom, 15 minutes or 30 minutes. For the kitchen, 15 to 30 minutes. For the living room, 60 minutes, since it's a larger area and you're not supposed to be in the room with the UV light while it's activated. That's my review for this UV light. It's called a ultraviolet sterilization lamp. And I saw a lot of UV lights that were for like handheld, but I didn't see any a lot for the home. So I actually shared this one with my mom, and this one actually she liked because she didn't even know about it. And my dad was the same way. They didn't know anything about these lights, so I said, let me share it with you guys because you're family too. She's gonna buy her one, so bless you. So basically I wanted to just let you guys know that this exists in case you don't search the web. I'm sure you probably do if you're YouTubers like me, but for those people who don't and they wanted a little extra protection, I wanted to give my review because my family member, my husband, actually, went to the hospitals a lot during the actual first part of the lockdown, and we basically didn't have any problems with catching anything. None of us got sick. As soon as he got home, he would go to a separate bathroom that was designated for him, and we sanitized it with this. And of course he used the proper protection while he was at the hospitals. But I'm just one of those cautionary people. I always want to make extra sure that my family is protected. Then we have Avery. You want to make sure your kids are protected. And yeah, I wanted to give this review, and I give it a thumbs up. And thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one.
Bye.
Bye.